Hello today from beautiful, sunny and very hot Mallorca. I'm finally back home and I'd like to share something about cornering with you today. Cornering is a really important skill because you have corners on every tour you ride. Interestingly, a lot of people come to me and think, cornering, I don't need that. I want to learn some fancy skills. But why spend so much time on learning fancy skills like the wheelie or something if cornering is something you need on every tour? So I'd like to show you a little bit about cornering today and tell you a little bit more about it. The first step when you're going into a corner is always that you want to have a deep bend, so a nice low position in your bike. In case you do lose traction, you can always get your bike back and you're in control again. The next thing is that you want to lean your bike more than your body, and you want to twist and really have your vision, your eyes where you want to go. And if you combine all that, then you will be balanced in your bike and you will have the maximum traction. And then you'll realize cornering can be fun.